today we're playing
3008.
3008.
IKEA kind of
And
game.
we decide to be surviving.
Uh-huh.
Surviving.
Okay, so maybe let's start by making our base up high.
We're
Yeah,
building a good one. You know, anyway.
Say that,
Okay, Hide, where do I put this barrier?
Like on
Oh,
top.
hey guys, we must tell you.
Okay, wait, Hide, don't move. Hide, don't move.
Those this one, the barriers connecting.
Can someone be standing over here? I cannot do it.
We just have to make
Someone stand.
Yeah,
Yeah,
guys, can you
and-
do it all the way to the top? Can you do it all the way to the top?
No, let's make double layers.
Okay.
okay,
Guys,
Okay. Oh my god. That scares me. Okay, at least it's not that dark. I can still see stuff.
Yeah.
I barely can.
I got
I'm gonna
lamp.
go get lights. Thanks, that's
Yeah, everyone. Okay, I want to make a waypoint.
yeah, everyone make a race.
Guys, I barely can see anything.
What color should we be? What should be purple?
Oh my god.
I have a gun.
Wait, remember the house game we can do? Yeah, it's okay.
I have light here. Anyone want it? Here. Here.
Me.
A mini light over there, you know, because why not?
I can't see my waypoint.
It does say waypoint 1 or whatever you name it.
Para
I'll put this in it. Okay, I'll put this No.
Someone gotta fix that. So, okay, someone fixed it.
Can I get a lamp over here? Okay, guys, I think we should start on walls.
Yeah.
Okay, Hide, I have one barrier here. Go get it.
Guys, I put walls right over there. Shara, can you move? I'm trying to place a barrier.
Hide, here, I got one barrier on top there. I put here already one barrier. Hide, you can get it.
Hold on.
Get him.
Guys,
You're not doing it again.
Oh my god.
Grab some.
Oh my god, I accidentally slide myself to the bottom and I lost half of my health.
Oh my god.
And I'm back now.
You guys,
La 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 la.
you guys, can I?
What
When
do
you
I?
guys are building a two-floor
Other
house,
side of the Mexico.
oh my god, I keep falling.
Lol.
We are building.
Maybe we should cover that. This is such a mess.
Oh my
I know.
god.
A lamp floating.
Guys, I'm trying to cover this up.
Who just whistled?
No
My
one.
mother.
Oh my god, I just fell.
What? Okay, guys, when you whispered that, that was so annoying.
I'm trying
Let's
some
get more
stuff
this
right
way.
now. You guys, okay. For me, here I really like corn.
It's corn.
Corn.
Imagine more beautiful.
You just like even it out. Oh my gosh, I love the upstairs.
1 second, guys. Okay.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I found a toilet. The poo-poo thing.
Lol.
Poopy thing.
You want to put it? You want to put it?
Guys, I want the poopy thing. The toilet. Today, yeah, you work on first flooring walls.
Okay.
You guys, where should I put the poo-poo toilet? Mama, stop collecting those. We need help with barriers and building, and you're like, oh, guys, poo-poo toilet.
Oh, now we don't.
Everyone stay at the base ASAP.
Yard.
Why?
Maybe there's workers there and it will kill you.
Yeah.
Today is day 1. There's only one worker.
What do you mean? There's a lot of workers.
Today is day 1. Only one worker, right, Marwa?
He days. Talk.
Oh yeah, true. I know. I forgot it. I'm stuck here.
Get this TV.
Hey, it's nighttime. You can now tell me.
Can't get out. Somebody's trying to push me back.
No one is literally with you. No one.
No,
Uh-oh.
Marwa, see?
I got my hair on the sun. But 1 second.
Oh, you.
Oh my god, girl, you think you're like broken or something?
Blinded by the lights.
Here.
Oops, I did it again. We lost in the game. Oh well, maybe.
You guys have so many lampu.
Yeah, to make it right.
But you think you should put like 1 lampu upstairs?
2.
2 lampu. So Marwa, you go down when I was stuck. Look.
Yeah, if you want to put some lamps on top,
Mama.
Ron.
What is this?
Shara, what are you
That's
doing?
it.
Where are you?
Sorry, I'm back. I'm on top.
Oh my gosh, I need some ice cream.
I'm on top of the world.
I'm on top of the roof.
We are having too much music break right now.
Oh my gosh, I need more food. My name is.
Today, I dare you to do a music counter. How many times we have sing a song?
Yeah.
Music counter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see in the ending how many music counters we have. Lol. Taste that pink venom, taste that pink venom, taste that pink venom.
Get them live.
Now that whoa,
Just sit down.
Keep watching me shut it down. Nah, you don't wanna be on my backside. That's fine. I think but they wanna be me 3 hours to in the world.
Enough.
Almost is never enough
Okay, enough. Today, music break. I don't know how much is that every day.
to be in.
Anyways, guys, we done found it out.
8 hours. You wanna be me?
What?
some guys
Mama, what are you doing?
I'm stacking some barriers so you guys can grab them easily. Done. That's your job. Because I stacked a lot of barriers. Marwa, done.
Okay, good. Thanks.
Looks. I want to find some more barriers.
Just looking
Actually, I don't think we need any more barriers. I think it's good.
But I just stacked a lot and you blame me.
No, I'm not blaming you. I'm advising you to stop.
Girl, I just. How could you? You guys, when I get decorations, decorations.
No, not yet. We're like not done with the walls.
Yeah, but I just did some barriers for you and you state me.
Peter, what have you been doing down here? I don't see a change.
Look at this. Is this no change? Look at.
No, but you're supposed
No
to be like that, walls. Hello.
Oh what?
So we don't slide ourselves out.
My name is Baby. Oh my god! The Harry Potter tree!
Huh?
Harry Potter tree. See how I'm doing up here? Hit Harry Potter tree. Love Harry Potter tree. Video game lover.
Okay, guys. So I can't actually get my food. Can somebody help with the food?
That's Sarah's job.
Yeah.
Yes?
That's more food, yeah.
I was getting some food just now.
Hey! I fell down my Harry Potter tree.
Huh?
What is that?
Harry Potter! Harry! No, guys, I'm gonna die because I don't have energy. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die soon. Wait, I have food.
What it is?
It's corn. Bang,
I can't imagine a more beautiful thing. It's corn.
Yara, move.
I can't.
Tiny.
It's corn.
A big lump of nuts.
But she has the same hair.
It's corn.
His hair is short. Literally. I'll help you guys build the base downstairs in the basement. Where's the basement? Oh my god! The basement looks so adorable. Oh my god! Hello. Oh.
Guys.
Hide, I forgot one thing.
What?
We need lights.
Yeah, we already have light.
No, to the basement.
Bye. Guys, they're coming.
I'm stuck, guys. Oh my god, it's surrounded. Oh my god, everyone get here. I literally died.
I'm gonna.
Where are you all? Where you guys? Oh, wait. I gotta spawn it down. I gotta walk off.
Gotta swim.
Please.